The 13th St. Lawrence University graduation ceremony began with a mass led by the Vicar General of Kampala Archdiocese, Monsignor Charles Kasivante. After the Mass, Monsignor Kasivante installed the third Chancellor of St. Lawrence University, Her Excellency the Vice President, retired Major Jessica Alupo, who replaces former Vice President Edward Chiwenika Sekandi.
They are going to give her the mace, an instrument of power as the Chancellor of St. Lawrence University. Congratulations, Madam Chancellor. They will hand over the draft charter copy to her.
The State Minister for Primary Education, Dr. Joyce Moriku, who represented the Minister of Education and Sports, Janet Kataha Museveni, urged the students to always use dialogue to resolve disputes rather than going on strikes. She also urged parents to continue guiding their children against vices.
As we congratulate St. Lawrence fraternity, allow me, on behalf of Ministry of Education and Sports, to register our sincere appreciation to the St. Lawrence University fraternity for the academic progress which has so far been registered, the courses that have been approved by the National Council, courses which are marketable, which can easily get jobs, and especially the science-based courses. We are equally happy for St. Lawrence for impacting values which are based on Christianity, values that uphold our morals, values that uphold our cultural ethics and values. We want to thank you for upbringing these graduates as responsible citizens of this country. As Christian people, we thank you so much.
The new university chancellor, the vice president, retired Major Jessica Alupo, said that research, science, and innovation are key sectors in higher education and urged graduates to be humble, responsible, disciplined, hardworking, and above all, be patriotic.
In light of today's occasion, and regarding higher education, you may wish to note that teaching, learning, research, science and innovation, and knowledge transfer are key areas of concentration. And St. Lawrence University has demonstrated capacity to do this over the years. Higher education institutions offer post-education, post-secondary education, leading to the award of professional qualifications that range from diplomas to degrees, etc. Today, I am honored to have been installed as the third Chancellor of St. Lawrence University, and indeed the first female Chancellor of this institution of higher learning. I pledge to do my duties in this office diligently in order to move St. Lawrence University to even greater heights.
A total of 779 students graduated in different disciplines. Of these, 251 were female at 52% and 228 male, representing 48%. They were conferred certificates, diplomas, bachelor degrees, and postgraduate degrees.